Data collection is the backbone of intelligence analysis. Without accurate, relevant data, even the most skilled analysis can lead to flawed conclusions. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to effectively collect the information you need to build a strong foundation for your analysis. Let's start with the types of data sources available to you. Broadly speaking, data sources can be categorized into two groups: open source and classified. Open source data is information that's publicly available. This includes news reports, social media, academic publications, and government databases. Classified data, on the other hand, is restricted and requires special permissions to access, such as intelligence reports or surveillance records. Each type of source has its strengths and weaknesses. Open source data is readily accessible and can provide a wealth of information, but it also requires careful vetting to ensure its accuracy. Classified data is often more reliable, but its access is limited, and it may be subject to biases depending on how it was collected. When approaching data collection, it's important to start with a clear understanding of your objectives. What are you trying to achieve with your analysis? This will guide your decisions about where to look for data and how to prioritize your efforts. For example, if you're analyzing a potential security threat, you might focus on classified intelligence and open source information from credible news outlets. If you're studying market trends, you might turn to economic reports, industry publications, and social media discussions. The next step is gathering the data. This process involves more than just searching for information. It's about systematically collecting data that is relevant and reliable. Keep in mind that quantity doesn't equal quality. A smaller amount of high-quality data is far more valuable than a large volume of unreliable information. As you gather data, consider its source, the context in which it was produced, and its relevance to your analysis objectives. Verification is a crucial part of data collection. Once you've gathered your data, it's essential to verify its authenticity and accuracy. This means cross-checking information against multiple sources, understanding the potential biases of your sources, and considering the timeliness of the data. Outdated or unverified data can lead to incorrect conclusions and potentially disastrous outcomes. Another important aspect of data collection is maintaining ethical standards. Always ensure that the methods you use to gather information comply with legal and ethical guidelines. This is particularly important when dealing with sensitive or classified information. The integrity of your analysis depends on the integrity of the data collection process. Finally, as you collect and verify your data, it's essential to organize it effectively. This could involve creating databases, categorizing information by relevance, or using tools to manage large data sets. An organized data set will make the analysis phase smoother and more efficient. To sum up, data collection is not just about finding information, it's about finding the right information. By understanding where to look, how to gather data effectively, and how to verify and organize it, you'll set the stage for a successful analysis. In our next lesson, we'll move on to the processing phase, where we'll discuss how to prepare your collected data for in-depth analysis. Let's continue to build your expertise in intelligence analysis, one step at a time.